In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix the line midpoint snap not showing in AutoCAD. First, check if Object Snap is enabled. Press the F3 key on your keyboard to toggle Object Snap on or off. With Object Snap enabled, AutoCAD can snap your cursor to points such as endpoints, centers, and midpoints. If Object Snap is enabled but the cursor still doesn't snap to the midpoint snap mode may be disabled. To enable it, type OSnap or simply type OS into the command line and press Enter. This will open the Drafting Settings dialog box focused on the Object Snap settings. In the list of available Object Snap modes, look for the option labeled Midpoint. If Midpoint isn't already checked, click the box next to it to enable the setting. Once Midpoint is checked, click OK to apply the changes. Now, move your cursor over a line. AutoCAD should snap the cursor to the midpoint of the line. And that's how to fix the line midpoint snap not showing in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.